If you want to use split screen view on the Samsung Galaxy A27, let me show you what you can do to do so. So the first method to activate the split screen view is by opening the first app that you want to use in the split screen view. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. Then you want to simply go to background apps or recent. Then you can tap on this app icon that we have at the top of the preview. And then here we have the split screen view option, open in split screen view. Then you can choose the second app that you want to open in the split screen view. So let's say I'm gonna choose the, like the Google app over here. And there we go. Now you can use both apps at the same time. You can of course tap on, or actually use these three dots that we have in the middle. We can actually tap on them as well in order to switch sides. And if you press and hold your finger on it, then you can drag up or down to adjust the split. Now, besides that, we have these lines at the top of each app, which also allow you to find a couple of options. Like, for example, we can return to the full screen, or we can open the selected app in the floating window mode. You can also swipe all the way up or all the way down in order to immediately return to the full screen view, just like that. Besides that, there is also the gesture, the swipe gesture, that allows us to activate split screen. First, we need to make sure that it is enabled, so we need to go to Settings, then scroll down over here and go to Advanced Features. Then you want to open a multi-window, and then here we have Swipe for Split Screen, which we can enable. And here you can use two fingers in order to swipe from the bottom of the phone to the middle, just like that, and then you can just choose whatever you want to open as the second app. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.